I don't have a name for this one, but it's fun. Okay, let's get started. So you're going to step out with your right foot and gather your left leg up. Gather it. And I mean, it's as if you are using your hands to pull your leg up, but you're not really using your hands to pull your leg up. 1, 2, open 3, 4. We're going to touch our fingertips to the center of our torso. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch 5. Shift your weight. 6. And when I say shift your weight is mostly on your left leg here. And when you take this turn, you're going to shift it to your right. So lift your heels ever so slightly off the floor so that you can shift and turn and push your weight all the way forward to your right foot or your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch 5, shift 6. Circle the arms back and lift your left foot off the floor. 7, 8, 1. So as you lift your left foot off the floor, the arms are circling back. They make a full circle as you step forward with your left foot and come into a releve. So on the balls of both feet. Arms are lengthened up towards the sky. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. From there, everything drops down. That's count 3. So nothing for 2. 1, hold 2. Down 3, hold 4. Then we're going to take a hitch kick. So you're going to bend your left knee and then bend your right knee and extend the right leg. A hitch kick. So you're going to bend, kick. Bend, kick. Yeah, very Bruce Lee. The arms circle in front of you. They slice the space and they circle to meet in front of you. So that's 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4. This is 5. Step back out of it. 6. Keep the right elbow up. Look around. 7, 8. So you're going to find yourself in the mirror or look forward. 7, 8. From here. 1, hold 2, down 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From there, we're going to bring the palms of our hands together. 1, 2. From there, we take a little Pac-Man. 3, 4, step 5, 6, knee 7. Again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's talk it through. 1, bend your knees. 2, we're going to push forward. 3, through Pac-Man's mouth. 4, then we go through it again and step 5, step 6, knee 7. This is your left knee that's up. From there, 7, step out of it, 8, 1. Right foot is pointed and off the floor. Right arm is bent and in front, left arm is extended to the side. 1. You're going to take a PK, so you're going to step onto a straight leg and onto the ball of your right foot and pick your left foot up so that your left toes meet the inside of your right leg. You're going to PK. PK. Now the arms are going right arm up, left arm in front. And really open the right arm before you bring it up. That'll help you get around. We're going to make a 3/4 of a turn here. From there, you're going to step down with your left foot and rond de jambe the right leg around. From here, step down with your left foot, rond de jambe with the right, and put it down behind you. And yeah, I'm looking back over the right foot. And I'm in a lunge. So left knee is bent, right leg is straight. So from 7, 8, 1, nothing, 2, go 3, you're still going 4, 5, 6, 7. So PK on 3, rond de jambe 5, foot down on 7, and you're looking back over your right shoulder. All of that together goes 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 7, 8. You're going to throw your right shoulder and lift your right foot off the floor. Then do the same thing with your left. So same arm as leg, right shoulder, right foot, left shoulder, left foot. Here, there. 7, 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take a jump. Take your right foot behind your left leg and keep your right leg tucked in, and we're going to roll right cheek, left cheek. Step up with your right foot, push, bring it in, go back the other way, circle the upper body up into the right, down into the left. Again, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From there, we just circled the upper body. You go up into the right and down into the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to walk the hands up. Go back on the balls of your feet so that you can stand. Walk your hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And wherever you touch yourself is totally fine. Just leg, 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 leg. Touch yourself a few times. That sounds really funny. So you've got 5, 6, 7, 8. Push up 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to take a big plie, step out with your right foot. 5. We're going to round the arms, but keep them long. Palms are lifted. And then you're going to take a few chaîné turns. You're going to close your left foot in and then take a few turns. And that's the end of the combination. So it's as if you are turning off into the wing. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the end. Feel free to go back and rewind if you need to see a part again. And now we're going to do it with the music. 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're gonna do it with music, and I'm not gonna count. You got it.